Welcome to
Science Rules.
Today we're going to teach you how to create a bouncy eggs. All you need are 2 raw eggs, 2 containers, and vinegar. We're going to be using apple cider vinegar and white vinegar.
Which egg do you think will bounce the highest in the different types of vinegar? Please leave your answers down below in the comments.
The eggs over here, as you can see, these are the apple cider vinegar ones. Right, this one kind of popped a little bit. And the ones over here are your white vinegar eggs. We were able to get the shell off of this one, as you can see. And that one, it didn't really come off all the way. And if that happens, right, the shell doesn't come off all the way, I'm just leave it in a little bit longer. That means it hasn't been dissolved enough. All right, we're gonna go up 2 at a time. So here's apple cider from 2. Good. 4. 6. 8. 10.
I feel like
12.
we're at 2 inches. Okay. 4. Still good.
6.
8. 10. 12. 14. 16. I don't think my arm can go up any farther. 18. 20. 22. Well, there you have it.
Man, my egg lost at 10 inches.
And my one at 20 inches. Woo!
Talk to
You